Hey, 455, you're sounding pretty good up here on the Gulf Islands, 791 waving.
Well, sir, I'm sorry to have to put you through that. I do apologize.
Hey, 455, nope, sounding good. Good to hear you out there, brother. 9 Alpha Tango, 791, way out here in the North Pacific.
You got it, 791. Appreciate you gentlemen out there. You must be fellow pot smokers.
I'm a rebel, I tell you that. I don't comply.
Anyway, we got one disgruntled operator out here. He's not a marijuana smoker, and you can always tell a non-marijuana smoker from 1,000 miles away. Loud.
Sounding good, 455. Got you up into the strawberry patch, or should I say the pot patch. Have a good one down there. Cheers, 73s from North Pacific, 791.
Right back to you. Enjoy your hump day afternoon. 455, Arizona, Mud Duck Radio.
Sounding good, 455. Pirate Radio, Arizona. Have a great day, brother.
Check, you do the same.
So that's a good sign. DX1, 351 Las Vegas, trying.
Waving at you, 351 Las Vegas, 791 Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Yeah, we're off the far Pacific coast, far southwest Pacific coast of British Columbia, southern Gulf Islands. Beautiful day out here, about 72 degrees, sunshine. We did actually finally get some rain last night, but woke up to sunshine. We much needed rain, I'll tell you. Anyway, good to hear you, Vegas. You're sounding Q5. Have a good one. 351 Vegas, 791 Gulf Islands waving.
Hello, 791.
Hey, waving at you, man. You're sounding good too.
Hello, good afternoon. 374, Northeastern California.
Hey, 374 Northeastern Cal, Q5 all the way, man. Have a great day, buddy. Take care. Yeah, 1031 UDX 1031 Southeast Utah Portable, UDX 791 Gulf Islands waving.
UDX 791. Well, there you go. Another UDX number. I'm going to say 73 to get my hands back up on this wheel, but I just had to get out there and see if I can raise you up. I hope you have a good day, and 73 to you. UDX 1031, Southwest Utah. It will be Mike on this end, and we're clear.
All right there, UDX 1031, Mike. Hey, say hi to UDX 390 if you hear him out there. I haven't talked to him for a while. You say hi to Mike out there. 9 Alpha Tango 791 Joe, Gulf Islands, North Pacific waving.
Wow. How about it, 231?
Mike.
I did hear that 1031 a little bit. UDX415, Southern Utah on the side. Well, we hit 90 degrees up there on the...
UDX 415, we hear you out here on the Gulf Islands, North Pacific, 791 waving.
Okay. Sir, your attitude is unwarranted. It is uncalled for. Talk over the guy, don't talk to him. I provide...
Have a good one, UDX 415 Utah, 791 Gulf Islands. We'll be on the side. Have a great day, buddy.
Yeah, I can't even hear him.
Crazy conditions, but I like them.
455, your friendly neighborhood pirate radio operator monitoring this beautiful update. Now somebody else. Hope everybody's doing grand.
Great skip, finally.
Make sure you guys light them up as you got them. Get yourselves properly medicated so you can enjoy the frequency.